friends, Christy here from makingitinthemountains.com. Thank you so much for joining me today. Welcome back to my farmhouse home video series where I share simple farmhouse inspired DIY decor and home living ideas. A few weeks ago I mentioned wanting to switch over as many cleaning products as I can to find some all-natural, chemical-free cleaning solutions for our home. So the first idea I shared were some wool dryer balls that I had scented with my favorite essential oil. And this week I wanted to share a really simple tub and shower spray. Now I like to spray this every time we use our tub or shower. It keeps the glass on our shower sparkling clean and makes cleaning our bathrooms every week so much faster and easier. It does a really great job of cutting through the hard water stains and soap scum that you can see building up through the week as you use your shower or tub. So this tub and shower spray is something that we just spray on every time we use our tub or shower. We just spray it on and walk away, and it really helps to keep everything clean and fresh. Okay, so to start you're going to want a simple spray bottle, some vinegar, dish soap, rubbing alcohol, and your favorite essential oils. I like to use lemon and tea tree. Tea tree is really great because it has antibacterial properties, so it makes sure that you're taking care of the bacteria in your shower every time you spray it. And the lemon gives it a nice fresh scent. So the first thing you're going to add are equal parts water and vinegar. So I'm starting with 3/4 of a cup of each. Then the next ingredient I need to add would be about a tablespoon of your favorite dish soap. Finally, you'll add about 1/3 of a cup of rubbing alcohol. And last but not least, you'll want some drops of tea tree and lemon. I like to add about 10 drops of each. And that is it, friends. It is super quick and easy to whip up, but it makes keeping our shower and tub clean so much easier. We use this simple spray every time we take a bath or shower in our house, and honestly guys, our glass shower has never looked better. It keeps all of the water spots off of our shower and it looks like it was just cleaned every time we use it. It's also really great to spray into your toilets or your sinks in between your regular cleanings just to help keep everything clean and fresh. Alright friends, I hope you enjoy this really simple way to keep your tub and shower clean and fresh without the use of chemicals in your home. Watch for more chemical-free, all-natural cleaning tutorials coming to the blog and my YouTube channel soon. Thank you so much for watching, friends. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up below and subscribe to my channel for even more farmhouse-style DIY, decor, and simple living ideas.